Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build your own Flask app in minutes without any struggle. I know many of you might be thinking that it's a difficult task, but trust me, it's not. With just a few simple steps, you can easily create a Flask app that can be used for any purpose you want. Before starting the tutorial, I want something to tell you. I was running a playlist named OpenAI on my channel which now contains 3 videos already. But now I bring this type of tutorial. You might be thinking that what am I willing to do on my channel? I will cover all topics that you need to know before starting your journey in the tech field. I'll teach you topics like Flask, GPT-3, Metaverse, cryptocurrencies, and then how to build startups. So subscribe to my channel for this type of useful content. Now without wasting any more time, let's dive into the tutorial. First, let me give you a brief introduction to the Flask. Flask is a microframework for Python that allows you to create web applications quickly and easily. It's very lightweight and doesn't require any dependencies, which makes it ideal for small projects. Now that you know a little bit about Flask, let's get started with the tutorial. First, make a folder. In my case, I created a folder named yet_flask_project. In the same directory, you can see another folder named yet_openai_project. This folder was created by me in the tutorial of the last video. So watch that tutorial also. Then we will go into the folder yet_flask_project. This will be the main directory of our project. Then, open VS Code for starting the project. The first thing you need to do is install Flask. You can do this using pip, which is a package manager for Python. Just run the following command in your terminal. Pip install Flask. Once Flask is installed, you can create a new file called app.py in your project directory. This will be the main file for your Flask app. In app.py, you need to import Flask and create a new instance of the Flask application. You can do this with the following code. From Flask import Flask app equals Flask__name__. Now that you have a Flask app instance, you can start adding routes. A route is a URL that your app can handle. For example, you might have a route for the home page, which would be the URL. You can add a route by decorating a function with the @app.route decorator. For example, to add a route for the home page, you would do the following: @app.route def home return welcome to Flask tutorial. This function will return the string welcome to Flask tutorial when you visit the home page. Now that you have a basic route set up, you can start your Flask app. Just run the following command in your terminal. Flask run. This will start a development server on http://localhost port 500/. You can view your app in your browser by going to that URL. Congratulations, you've just built your first Flask app. In the next video, we'll learn how to make a voice assistant in Python so that we can proceed to the success path. Source code link is provided in the description. Please also check it out also. Thanks for watching.